Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a house located in a great location. The building occupies over 1,600 square feet, while the area of the lot is under a quarter of an acre or 8,821 square feet and contains pear trees, coconut, and other fruit trees. The lawn is well kept. There is also a remote controlled gate and solar water heater. This is truly a lovely place and correctly priced. Guys, it's time for you to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 26 million or US $169,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.